Hello, welcome to You Can Plumbing. I'm Mark the Plumber, and today we're going to take a look at the American Standard Tofino dual flush one-piece toilet. Now this toilet is a beautiful toilet. It's a mid-range price toilet. It's a $500-600 toilet, so it's not cheap. It's not super expensive like the $1,000 ones, but you do get a lot for your money. It's a very beautiful toilet. I had originally purchased this toilet to put it in our two-piece bathroom on the main floor, but it turned out this is a fairly large toilet and it just overwhelmed that space. So we put it up here in the kids' bathroom, which you may have thought by the wallpaper and everything that it was my grandmother's bathroom, but it's just a kid's bathroom. We haven't renovated it yet. Maybe down the road I'll do a video on renovating a bathroom. That'd probably be a pretty good video, but for right now, we're going to take a look at this one-piece toilet, and let me tell you, it's a beautiful looking toilet. It's very sleek. Try and stand so you can see everything. You know, it's just a very nice looking, it's a one-piece toilet. It's got the side holes where you connect it up, which let me tell you are a pain in the butt, but it does look nice afterwards. I believe it comes... Alright, this is my least favorite part of doing any video, is when I have to ask you to please like and subscribe. And you know, going forward, I hope once I can make some money doing this, that I want to give money back to you guys. I want to make repairing things, doing repairs, all that kind of stuff less expensive. It is expensive. I don't know exactly how we'll do that yet. I got to make some money first doing this, and then I'm going to give a lot of it back to you guys. So anyways, let's get on with this video. Comes now with the plugs for that. But yeah, it's just a one-piece toilet. See inside. The single flush isn't much, which does come with the soft close lid, which is always very nice. And it's just a very sleek, nice looking toilet. The only problem that I would say I have with it is if you have kids and you have kids using something like this, kids do not use a dual flush very well. They use that one button because it's easy to use, and it does not clean the bowl very well, and it looks pretty gross after a while. I am actually going to be taking this toilet out shortly. It's a beautiful toilet. I'm going to install it somewhere else. So in conclusion, my final review, what I'd like to say about this style of toilet is I'm not a huge fan of the dual flush system. It's not bad if it's not your usual, your everyday toilet, if it's just for a guest bathroom or something like that. But for an everyday use sort of situation, I just think that two different flush choices, it just makes a bigger mess. And there's a lot of low flush toilets out there for your everyday use that are way better. They have more powerful jet, they swirl the toilet out better. But if you're looking for just a pure aesthetic, really nice looking toilet, then you can't go wrong with this. A one-piece toilet is always so good looking. It's very nice. So I would say for like a guest bathroom, you know, guest bathroom on the main floor, stuff like that, it is a good use. But if it's for your everyday usage, probably not the best toilet. There's lots of others out there, especially in that price range and lower. There's a very good one that I'm about to do a review on. I'm going to swap it out with this toilet actually, the Glacier Bay Power Flush. Also, one of the other things about these toilets is the flush valve in it with the two buttons. It is a bit of a pain in the butt to find. You can get replacements, and they are expensive. They're anywhere from 50, 60, 70 bucks. I've seen all the way up to $120. So you want to keep that in mind also. But it is a beautiful toilet. One-piecers, always, it's hard to say anything too bad about them. But that's the end of my review. Please watch my next video. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.